Welcome back, fellow gardening enthusiasts. Today we delve into the fascinating world of self-heal, also known as Prunella vulgaris. This remarkable living organism boasts a rich history and an array of uses that will undoubtedly captivate your gardening senses. Join us as we explore its history, unique characteristics, and essential tips for successful cultivation. Self-heal has a long history that stretches across Europe, Asia, and North America. Revered for its healing properties, this herb has earned various nicknames, such as heal, all, and woundworm. Its presence in traditional medicine dates back centuries, where it was used to treat various ailments. Behold the beauty of self-heal. This low-growing perennial herb exhibits dense spikes of small, tubular flowers in shades of violet, pink, or white. Its leaves are a luscious green, and when crushed, they release a subtle, earthy fragrance that soothes the senses. Cultivating self-heal is a breeze. This resilient herb thrives in moist, well-draining soil and prefers partial shade, although it can tolerate full sun. Ideal for woodland gardens and meadows. Self-heal is a magnet for pollinators, including butterflies and bees. Enrich your garden with the presence of self-heal's companionship. Its ability to attract beneficial insects such as ladybugs and hoverflies makes it an excellent companion to crops like tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants, promoting natural pest control. Self-heal's medicinal properties have been highly regarded throughout history. In traditional medicine, it was used to heal wounds, reduce inflammation, and treat respiratory ailments. Today, it is still employed in herbal remedies, teas, and topical ointments. There you have it, the captivating world of self-heal, or Prunella vulgaris. Embrace its rich history, stunning appearance, and essential cultivation tips to introduce this resilient herb into your garden and herbal medicine collection. Thank you for joining us on this botanical journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell as we continue to explore the diverse wonders of gardening and farming. Happy gardening!